जातो उसका मन हाथ डाल दे
किधर गया वो
जागा साइड हमारे फोटो
बोलो तो मारू मारू क्या अरे है तू इधर ही है अरे हटो यार
फोटो
मैं फोन से ले
लाइन लावा मला सेल्फी हवा मॅडम
साओ
अरे आगे भी आना ऊपर ओ हिंदी
डार्लिंग
क्या बात है
डार्लिंग
चलो चलो ये भाई चलो जगह पकड़ो जगह ये एकदम पीछे खड़े रहो
पीछे
रुपेश पीछे रुपेश ओ
अरे हटो भाई अरे यार मुंडे जी व्हाट यू डू
आगे मत जाओ यार
हमारे आगे कैसे बैठ गया आगे
यार कितना आगे जा रहा है
कम क्लोज सर थोड़ा ऐसे टर्न हो
धक्का मार के सेंटर में
डार्लिंग यहाँ से स्टार्ट कीजिए सर
लुक एट लेफ्ट बोथ ऑफ यू डार्लिंग
सुपर हिट
सर लेफ्ट बोथ ऑफ यू
बस लुक एट प्रभास
स्टार्ट बाय लेफ्ट
सर इधर टर्न लीजिए ना सज्जा जी थोड़ा टर्न लीजिए
पहले उधर होने दो पहले उधर आने
सर
श्रद्धा मैम थोड़ा आगे ही रहा
प्रभास सर ये ठीक
प्रभास सर
लुक एट सेंटर बोथ ऑफ यू सेंटर श्रद्धा मैम सेंटर
इथे मॅडम इथे झालं
मॅडम समोर अरे उधर हुआ
इथे मॅडम
समोर
प्रभास सर
सोलो सोलो
फोटो की लेफ्ट साइड
लेडीज फर्स्ट
इधर तू और फोकस कर
ऊपर थोड़ा
यार ये
प्रभास सर ये सेंटर
अरे रुको उधर
प्रभास सर लुक एट लेफ्ट
सेंटर प्रभास सर यहाँ पे अनिकेत के पास ही दे दो हाँ डाले ये थोड़ा साइड से तू जरा ये यहाँ पे सामने
सर सेंटर द ग्रेट लुक द ग्रेट लुक सर
प्रभास सर यहाँ पे सामने एकदम
प्रभास सर सेंटर
अभी ये कैमरा सर राइट पे
चलो
यहाँ पे देखिए
सर प्रभास सर सेंटर
आवाज नहीं आ रहा है हाँ मैम का
सर सेंटर बुड्ढे साहब बुड्ढे
श्रद्धा मैम एक स्टेप ऊपर चले जाइए
थोड़ा सी मैडम इथून सुरू करा
बस बस ये
राइट मैडम समोर मैडम इकडे
मैडम समोर
लेफ्ट साइड
श्रद्धा मैम सेंटर
मैडम इथे बघा इथे
श्रद्धा मैम सेंटर श्रद्धा मैम
समोर मैडम इथे ना बघा श्रद्धा मैम श्रद्धा
मैम सेंटर श्रद्धा मैम
श्रद्धा मैडम समोर मॅडम इकडे मॅडम प्लीज
मैम ये
मॅडम 2 मिनिटं थांबा
श्रद्धा मैम ये लेफ्ट मैम
मैडम थांबा
मैम ये
मॅडम श्रद्धा मॅडम 2 मिनिटं
मैम ये लेफ्ट श्रद्धा मैम थैंक यू सो मच थैंक यू
तेरे को पहले बोला ना अरे चल ना तेजस जाना है चल थैंक यू
चल अभी आने दे ओम का रूट तुमको हटना है यार। हट वेरीफाई हो के क्या करेगा?
अरे वेरीफाई मतलब ये असली है, समझे?
भाई तू इतना आगे क्यों जा रहा है? घूमने तेरे वीडियो
वो तो चाहिए
ये भाई इधर ही होएगा फोटो, आएगी नहीं ऊपर आएगा, सब इधर ही मर रहे तो कैसे आएगा ऊपर?
अरे बोलो ना तुम लोग।
साउथ और आप
बोलो ना।
साइड साइड
आग लगा दिया, मचा दिया।
अनन्या जी अनन्या जी यहाँ पे रुकिए, अनन्या जी रुकिए ना।
अरे जगह तो दो।
थैंक यू सर। नाम के साथ पीछे
सर यहाँ पे सर यहाँ पे सर
आग लगा दिया, मचा दिया।
Question to Prabhas. Are you all set to give a tough competition to the Khans here?
Thank you, ma'am. Can I leave?
Hi
Man of few words, he's just killed it with this.
Prabhas.
Sir, this is Ravi Gupta from Filmy Fever.
Hello.
Sir, congratulations for the success of Bahubali.
Thank
and
you.
after that, I'm sure this is a blockbuster.
Thank you, sir.
Sir,
Hope so.
हिंदी के जो फैंस हैं बहुत ही ज़्यादा आपके बढ़ चुके हैं।
Thank you, sir.
हमने आपकी आवाज़ सुनी है हिंदी में। लाइव हम सुनना चाहते हैं कुछ हिंदी के कुछ शब्द आपसे।
Sir,
What would you like
next
to
time,
say
sir.
something in Hindi?
Sir.
Some words for your fans, not fans, die-hard fans.
Oh, I can say fans die hard. Sir, Hindi next time, sir.
Sir, one more thing.
Jai
At this
Hind.
moment, Sir, at this moment, a lot of Telugu fans are watching you live. कुछ तेलुगु में भी आप कुछ कहना चाहें फैंस को?
Love you all.
Thank you so much. Rock stars on stage. I have a question for you, and we'll start with you, Prabhas. Sir, how does it feel, when everything is here, the response that we just saw, and आपकी पहली Hindi movie? What do you have to say?
Yeah, I'm a little stressed and all, but hope you like the trailer. Let's see. Hope the audience like the trailer, fans. Let's wait.
And the response that we just saw is
That's beautiful. Thanks.
हिंदी
a
में
lot.
बोलते हैं सर छप्पर फाड़ के मिल गया हमको रिस्पॉन्स यहाँ पे,
Thanks a lot.
है ना? एंड ओके, एक बार जोरदार तालियां यार, मतलब ऐसे वेलकम कर लेते हैं हिंदी फिल्मों में, बनता है। Shraddha, this one's for you. Please tell us, this chemistry, it's so fresh. And आपका भी ऐसा साउथ रीजन में ये डेब्यू हो रहा है, and apart from that, everybody is loving the chemistry. What do you have to say? क्यों ऐसा हो रहा है?
First of all, thank you everyone here. Thank you so much for being here. It feels really, really fantastic to be a part of such an amazing film on such a huge scale. And I'm feeling really, really, really happy. And it's been a really memorable experience. I can't actually say it in words enough how amazing it's been. And yeah, I hope you all like it.
Right, talking about the chemistry, what do you have to say? क्यों इतना ऐसा प्यार? मतलब the songs are breaking all the records, shattering all the records across the globe.
How can I say about that? I think it's up to the audiences, right? I mean, they have to decide how they like it.
But you also love the chemistry, right? You do.
Obviously, I do.
Of course, we are loving it. Shoot. Where do we start from? जी.
भूषण जी और अनिल जी, हालांकि 30th को आप लोगों के पास कोई कंपटीशन नहीं है, फिर भी कितने थिएटर्स में आप लोग कर रहे हैं? क्योंकि इंडियन ऑडियंस जो यूपी बिहार के लोग भी इसको देखना चाहते हैं, ताहू को हिंदी बेल्ट।
So it will be one of the widest releases. बहुत वाइड जाएगी।
कुछ आंकड़े
around 4,500. ये बहुत लैंग्वेजेस में रिलीज। This is only in North India. South will be separate. So that only I think the distributor of the South can say.
Practically in all the screens, actually, if you say in northern India, in all the screens we'll be putting this film.
श्रद्धा, आपने बागी के समय हमें कहा था कि आपको वो एक्शन नहीं करने मिले टाइगर के रहते जो आप करना चाहती थी, तो इस फिल्म में आपकी वो ख्वाहिश पूरी हुई?
जितना आई थिंक स्क्रिप्ट का डिमांड था और जितना मुझसे हो पाया मैंने किया. एंड आई थिंक कि मैं बहुत ही आई एम इन वेरी गुड हैंड्स एज यू सॉ द ट्रेलर. सो नो मैटर व्हाट हैपेंस दे विल मेक मी लुक गुड. सो आई एम हैप्पी अबाउट दैट.
Prabhas garu, welcome to Mumbai. ఇక్కడే ఉంది. Prabhas garu,
Hi.
welcome to Mumbai. మీరు క్యారెక్టర్ ఏమండి? What is your character?
Yeah, we showed him as a police, so he saw it right.
Yeah.
So, yes, can you ask in English? Yeah, my character is
Yeah.
like, he's a police officer, but you know, the situations and all turn into different ways, so you need to watch the film after that.
Okay, have you dubbed it in Hindi or somebody
No,
is
no, no,
dubbing on your
that's my
face?
voice there.
Okay. Was it difficult
Yeah, like
to speak Hindi
yeah,
certain
I can
words?
read and write Hindi, but we don't speak at home, so it was a little difficult, but yeah, I managed.
Prabhas sir, yeah.
Yeah.
Hi. Congratulations to you and the whole team.
Thank you, sir.
Welcome to Bollywood.
Thank you, sir.
My question to you, sir, when we saw the teaser, it was like it's touted as the biggest thriller, and now we got to know why it is called the biggest thriller. What do you want to say about this film? Because not only as an artist, what do you want to say about it? Because this is your next film right after Bahubali, and you have spent your 5 years into one film, living one character, and now stepping into another huge world.
Yeah.
So overall, what was the experience? Please tell us about it.
Yeah, coming out of Bahubali was not easy. It was a little difficult. But even this film, we took 2 years. I think my fans are going to kill me for that. But, you know, yeah, Sujit designed this film in, this film is mostly on the screenplay based, so there are like a lot of twists and turns. It's very interesting the way he wrote the script. So it's interesting for me. Hope the audience say that they like the character.
Definitely they will. Shraddha, my question to you, मेरा आपसे यहीं पे, yeah. Shraddha, इस साल आपकी 3 फिल्में आ जाएंगी with छिछोरे, Street Dancer and Saho, and you have shot back to back, if I'm not wrong, for this, for these 3, right? So how do you used to manage? मतलब एक फिल्म में आपको डांस करना है out and out, it's a romantic thriller, एक में action है, so what do you want to say about it?
मैं बस ये कहूँगी कि बहुत मेरी बॉडी बहुत दुख रही है, बहुत ही, और बहुत फिजिकली इंटेंस साल रहा है. और स्ट्रीट डांसर एक्चुअली अगले साल रिलीज हो रही है. सो आई हैव सॉरी यस वी शॉट इट एंड तो ऐसा आई मीन फील हो रहा है कि थोड़ा सा आराम मिले, पर अभी प्रमोशंस भी शुरू हो गए. बट आई एम सो एक्साइटेड बिकॉज बहुत ही बड़ी बात है कि I get to be a part of such amazing movies, and this is my first multilingual film, Saho, and I think that to be a part of that is a very, very big thing for me. So I'm very, very excited for World Saho Day on the 30th.
मेरा सवाल फिल्म के प्रोड्यूसर से है. मेरा सवाल फिल्म के प्रोड्यूसर से है कि जिस उम्र में असिस्टेंट बनते हैं उस उम्र में सुजीत डायरेक्टर बन गए फिल्म के, तो किस तरह से कैसे विश्वास किया उन पे इतनी बड़ी फिल्म ये झेल पाएंगे, बना पाएंगे?
The big film is not about the big name, but the time he has spent for the film that made the film big. I think he has dedicated 4 years of his time and made the film.
Good evening, everyone. Hello, this side. Yeah. Good evening, everyone. This is Shubhajit from IWM Buzz. Prabhas sir, and your left, sir.
Yeah, sir.
Yeah. First of all, many congratulations for Bahubali. And my first question is to you, that like so, you know, everybody knows that Bahubali was such a big hit. So do you think that Saho is going to follow up that?
No, that Bahubali is different. It made history. So this we just want to entertain this audience who watch Bahubali and my fans. We're just trying that. There's nothing compared to Bahubali.
Thank you. And Shraddha, the next question is to you. That this film is releasing, and the next film, that is Chichore, it's releasing in a week's time. So how do you look at the release pattern?
I think the fact that both the movies are so different from each other, and I got to be a part of both the films. I think lucky me that I get to come on the big screen in such a short duration. Yeah.
Hi, Prabhas, this side.
Oh, hi.
प्रभास, इसके एक्शन की, साहो के एक्शन की बहुत एप्रिसिएशन मिल रही है, एंड कंपैरिजन हो रहा है धूम सीरीज के एक्शन के साथ. व्हाट यू हैव टू से?
No, I think this is very different because there's bike shots and all, you feel like that. But when you see the film, this is completely different film. It's different. That's a different film.
Hello, this side. Prabhas and Shraddha, this side. Hi. First of all, fantabulous trailer. This is Jyoti from Movies Adda. सबसे पहले तो मैं जानना चाहूँगी श्रद्धा और प्रभास दोनों से ही कि क्योंकि आप लोगों ने मल्टीलिंगुअल लैंग्वेज में फिल्म को ऑफ कोर्स आवाज़ भी दी है और एक्शन भी है, जब सब कुछ है, तो एक दूसरे को कोई टिप्स दे रहे थे आपने उनको हिंदी में हेल्प की, और यू हैव हेल्प्ड हर इन द अदर लैंग्वेजेस?
I didn't help her in Telugu. She was very good, but in Hindi she helped me a lot.
So how was the whole माहौल कैसा रहता था सेट पे, बिहाइंड द सेट कैसा आपका एक्सपीरियंस था श्रद्धा प्रभास के साथ काम करने का, एंड सेम फॉर यू?
I think मैं जितना बोलूँ वो कम है. Actually, the whole team, UV Creations, when I was in Hyderabad, they took me as a part of their family, and we shot this film within 2 years. So every time that I would go there, Hyderabad actually became my second home. And me and my team, we would be so excited to go back to Hyderabad, especially because of the kind of जिस तरह का प्यार इन्होंने हमें दिया है. We felt like we were at home, absolutely at home. And we were like, looking forward to going to set every day. And so much kindness, so much love, so much kindness from everyone. And of course, to work with Prabhas, I mean, I don't know where to start. He is, everyone knows he is, of course, he's a huge superstar, but he has the most amazing heart. So me and my team, we were just like in awe of that. So yeah, we had a blast.
Also, हमने आपके सोशल मीडिया साइट, जितने भी सोशल मीडिया प्लेटफॉर्म्स हैं, वहाँ पर देखा है कि आप हैदराबादी खाने को कितना ज़्यादा प्यार दे रही थी वहाँ पे. So उसके बारे में कुछ बताना चाहेंगे कि प्रभास क्या क्या उन्होंने किस किस डिश से आपको इंट्रोड्यूस करवाया कि दिस इज स्पेशल और दिस लाइक दैट?
प्रभास एंड द होल टीम, UV Creations team, as I said, कि बिल्कुल घर जैसा माहौल बन गया था. तो I think that everyone on the unit was so happy. Because if you feed people right,
right,
you work better, you feel better to come to set. And the best food I have ever had was on this set. And apart from the food also, as I said, there's so much respect that all of us got on the sets. So that was very, very, very valuable.
Sujit, this is the first time you are working with Prabhas and Shraddha. So how was the overall experience, and how did you pull this huge film off?
Yeah, I mean, I've done only like 2 movies, so this is the second movie. So, yeah, working with Prabhas sir, it's an amazing experience actually. More than a hero, I know him like as a person. I love his nature, and he's so amazing person. So working with him was like much easier. I mean, easier than what I thought actually. So it's great experience, yeah.
Thank you.
Good to go.
You're asking me that, like, will the movie answer that, or like I didn't understand, like? Yeah. I didn't think about it. First thing for any director is to write a like a story. I mean, once the producers like the story, and then everything starts shaping up. I believe the story is bigger than any director or anything. Okay, so I feel the story is good or story is bad. Only two things are there. There's nothing like the big director and small director. You know, so if it's a good movie, people will watch it. If it's bad, they won't watch it. That's all.
Yes.
Pravasa, just like you said that you have given 2 years to Saho and before that 5 years to Bahubali. So whenever a film comes to you, what's that thing in your mind that you decide to dedicate a part of your life to just one film? You just stick to one film and you're wholeheartedly dedicated to it. What's the reason behind it?
Yeah, actually, I don't want to do 2 years for this film. I don't want to give because I already gave 4 years for Bahubali. But the action sequences and all, we need a lot of preparation and all. So like almost some action scenes, they were working for almost a year for one action scene that Abu Dhabi changed.
Yeah, we had like so much of pre-production. So I mean, normally things when we start for the action things, we just go and shoot and we discover a lot of problems when we're doing the action. So the thing what we're doing here is we had so many rehearsals, so many prep days, which took us gaps between the shoots, and the shoot days were less, So on shooting in some locations, it's not so easy actually. So we needed that paperwork and the prep work. That's the reason we actually spent so much time in the pre-production. That's a gap we have.
Sorry. Yeah, so that for the preparation and all, we need to do a lot of rehearsals for this. It's again after Bahubali, so I need to support the director and the producers who spend like too much. My friends, I don't like that, but still. So I need to support that. But I started another film. We shot 20 days. So I hope from after this, I'm going to do 2 films a year. Hope so.
We'll just take one last question, right?
फिल्म की रिलीज को 3 बार बदला गया, मतलब
Sir, yes, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Yes, thank you so much. Very much. Very much. That's why we did Saho Hindi. I dubbed my own voice. No, it depends upon you. You want me to stay or go?
फिल्म की रिलीज 3 बार चेंज हुई, तो मतलब इसके पीछे क्या बड़ी हिंदी फिल्में आ रही थी, ये वजह थी, या फिल्म कुछ काम चल रहा था फिल्म का, ग्राफिक्स का या कुछ?
One is being a big production. So a lot of VFX post-production activities are there. So we want to give a quality product after working so hard. So we thought a couple of weeks doesn't really matter for the release. So we postponed.
मेरा सवाल बीके से है. बीके मतलब शुरुआत से ही दे दे प्यार दे, भारत, कबीर सिंह, अब साहो, मतलब जो पहले से ही हिट दिख रही है, मतलब सारी बड़ी बड़ी फिल्मों के साथ साथ कहीं छोटी फिल्मों पे भी आपका ध्यान है?
See, we back और हम always content को back करते हैं, और yes, इस टाइप की जो फिल्में होती हैं जिसमें इतना भरपूर एक्शन होता है और जिस तरीके से ये फिल्म माउंट की गई है, आई गेस आपने खुद ही अपने क्वेश्चन में जवाब दे दिया कि इतनी बड़ी फिल्म, तो मेरा क्रेज़ इस फिल्म को बैक करने का यही था कि एक बहुत बड़ी फिल्म दर्शकों को दिखाई जाए. तो लेकिन हर फिल्म आपने देखा, हम हिंदी मीडियम भी किए, हमने तुम्हारी सुल्लू भी किया, हर टाइप की फिल्में वी बैक.
और साथ ही भूषण जी, आप म्यूज़िक के भी काफ़ी विद्वान हैं. आपके यहाँ से ये कबीर सिंह का गाना भी हिट हुआ है, और इस फिल्म में अभी तक तो गाना आपने रिलीज नहीं कराया, लेकिन
नहीं किए, 2 गाने आप कैसी बात कर रहे हैं?
हाँ सॉरी, किए तो उसमें
दोनों गाने ब्लॉकबस्टर हुए,
वही मैं कह रही थी. तो ब्लॉकबस्टर हुए हैं वो दोनों गाने, तो ये आप कैसे कर लेते हैं, मतलब हाउ मच इज योर इनपुट?
See, I want to thank the entire team again. उन्होंने काफ़ी इसमें हमें मिल के हमने गाने बनाए. डायरेक्टर वॉज वेरी कोऑपरेटिव इन टर्म्स ऑफ मेकिंग सॉन्ग, कि मुझे उस तरीके के गाने बनाने उनको चाहिए थे जो हिंदी सिनेमा के ऑडियंस को भी बहुत पसंद आए. तो इसलिए अगर आप गाने देखेंगे तो इट इज़ वी हैव मेड द सॉन्ग बाईलैंग्वेज. नॉर्मली क्या होता है, अगर आप कोई तेलुगु फिल्म बनाए तो वो गाने डब होते हैं, बट ये गाने पहले हमने हिंदी में बनाए और उसके बाद रीकम्पोज करके उसको तेलुगु में भी किया, एंड इन अदर लैंग्वेज ऑल्सो. सो इसमें काफ़ी सबका कोऑपरेशन रहा है एंड हमने मिलके एक बहुत अच्छी एल्बम बनाई है इसमें साहो में.
Before closing, I have my last question to Prabhas. Are you all set to give a tough competition to the Khans here?
Thank you, ma'am. Can I leave?
Hi, Prabhas.
Man of few words, he's just killed it with this.
Prabhas, hi, this is Saurabh here.
Yeah, hi.
We have seen many action scenes in this film. Have
Yeah.
you gone through any injuries?
No, not really. I think this time it's like own production, so they took more care. So my friend's production, so they're like, no, that is risky. This is risky. So I think this time I didn't get much.
Hi,
Small
Prabhas.
little- yeah, hi.
Yeah, this is the last question.
Hi, Prabhas, sir. This is Ravi Gupta from Filmy Fever.
Hello.
Sir, congratulations for the success of Bahubali.
Thank
and
you.
after that, I'm sure this is a blockbuster.
Thank you, sir.
Sir,
Hope so.
हिंदी के जो फैंस हैं बहुत ही ज़्यादा आपके बढ़ चुके हैं.
Thank you,
हमने आपकी आवाज़ सुनी है हिंदी में. लाइव हम सुनना चाहते हैं कुछ हिंदी के कुछ शब्द आपसे.
Sir,
What did you like
next
to
time,
say
sir.
something in Hindi?
Sir. No.
Some words for your fans, not fans, die-hard fans.
Oh, I can say fans die hard. Sir, Hindi next time, sir.
Sir, one more thing.
Jai
At this
Hind.
moment, Sir, at this moment, a lot of Telugu fans are watching you live. कुछ तेलुगु में भी आप कुछ कहना चाहें फैंस को?
Love you all.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen. Zordar taaliyan ho jaye for Saho
Thank you
and
so much.
this
Thank you.
amazing blockbuster that it's gonna be. And with this, wait, become this magnanimous thing. And we've just seen the response. We've just felt it. So what do you have to say about this baby of yours, जो कि इतना बड़ा हो गया है?
Just waiting for the final day and hope audience also will love it and will be blessed with it.
Of course, that's why, we all are waiting it. That's why we've termed it as World Saho Day. That's what they are celebrating on the 30th of August. And that's like one big thing. I'd like to ask you. You have to tell me, sir. He's like, no, mere se mat puchna. Kuch nahi puchna. Acha, tell us, UV Creations, we started with...